To prepare to load a bale on a 3-point Unrolla bale feeder, adjust the top link so the pin is centered in the slot. The safety mechanism eliminates accidental detachment when the machine is off the ground. To disconnect the SnapLox Auto Connect system, lower the machine to the ground, listening and watching for the latches to lift. Once delatched, drive away, retaining the headstock and bale spares on the tractor. Spare the bale as low as you can. Hold the bale above the cradle to remove the net wrap. Then, lower the bale into the cradle and drive out. To connect, carefully drive towards the machine using the slightly longer spare as a gauge. Line it up exactly so the bale spares slowly enter the portholes. Then, lift the machine off the ground.